This is Camlin Grip Max mechanical pencil with 0.7 mm tip. This pencil costs Rs 10. Nowadays Camlin is introducing many pencils, especially the mechanical pencils with variety. This pencil comes with a grip. At this price point, Rs 10 is value for money for students and even for those who need a pencil in this price point. Nice design, nice cap too for the eraser. Comes with a rubberized grip. Nice grip, and even the tip holds with a steel holder. We all know that Camlin's 0.7 mm tip will be dark enough. So with this grip, it is comfortable to hold, a nice pencil to have. Nice design. Camlin is now introducing many pencils and many products in their lineup. Value for money from Camlin. Thanks for watching.